Hello, students. Welcome back. Today we are going to talk a little bit more about our defenses against disease. This is kind of a hot topic now because of our pandemic that's going on. So I wanted to let you know that yes, white blood cells are involved in this. So basically, what a disease would be or an infection would be little microbes inside your body. So this is part of our immune system. White blood cells are part of our immune system. And I want you guys to think about what structures on our body protect the inside of our body from these microbes. That is one thing that I'm going to have asked of you to do in your Google Classroom. And I will be checking on that and making sure everyone understands what is expected. All right, so what do white blood cells do? So, some white blood cells destroy microbes by engulfing them, basically eating them. So, here is a visual picture of it. So, obviously, this is the white blood cell. This is the bacteria or microbe that is in your body that you do not want because you are getting sick. There are antigens on here, and our body produces antibodies. So our body produces antibodies. So our white blood cells produce antibodies, and these pair up with our antigens. And that also helps the white blood cell to engulf this and get rid of it. Down here, it says that your body needs to fight off a virus because we don't have any medication for viruses. We only have medication for bacterial infections. But also, that's why we have vaccines, so that way our body can build up antibodies, so that way it can recognize the antigens that are on those strands of microbes, so that way our body is more able to fight it. That's why we have this pandemic going on, is because we didn't have a strain of those types of viruses, that type of strain in a vaccine. And that's why our body is not used to it, and that's why it's causing a lot of issues. All right, so obviously we've gone over cell division in our class before. So we're going to start with mitosis. So this is exactly the same cell that's splitting. So it creates an exact replica of it. And it's usually used for growth and repair of the cells. So if you get a scratch on your hand, your skin cells are going to grow and repair and multiply to be able to fix that cut. With the meiosis, it's a little bit more complex. It's half of our regular chromosomes. We have 46 singular chromosomes in our body. We get 23 chromosomes from our dad, 23 from our mom. That equals 23 pairs of chromosomes. And this only happens during sexual reproduction. It doesn't happen any other time. And that is our lesson for the day. Hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to add questions to the Google Classroom about this information, so that way I understand, or that way I know that you guys are doing this, watching these videos, and learning from a distance.